Hello, little storytellers. Welcome to our magical world of stories where every tale teaches us kindness, courage, and friendship. Today's story is Two Birds and the Storm. Get cozy and listen closely because there is a lesson in every flap and flutters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful stories every week. Once upon a time, two little birds faced a big, scary storm. One was afraid, the other stayed calm, and both learned something special that day. Do you know? Being strong is very much courage. Once in a big green forest lived two birds. One was Lucky and a small bird. The other was Maggie. They were best friends. Every day they flew and sang together. One day, dark clouds came. A big storm was coming. Lucky said, "Let's fly away and find a safe place." But Maggie said, "No, let's stay in the tree. We can hide in the hole in the trunk. It will keep us safe." Lucky was scared, but she listened to Maggie's words. The storm came, the wind was strong, and the rain feels hard. The two birds stayed inside the tree whole night. Maggie birds sang softly to help Lucky feel better. The next morning, the storm was gone. The forest was wet and messy, but the birds were safe. Lucky smiled and said, "I am happy we stayed. Thank you, my dear Maggie." Maggie said, "Good friends stays together in hard times." From then on, they stayed close and helped each other always. The moral of the story is a good friend stays with you and makes you feel safe. So, please, children, be kind and helpful to everyone. If you like this